Namaskar, welcome to Fortune Telling. Sorry, Namaskar, welcome to Fortune Telling Training. So, in the process of exploring the classical text and the slokas and their inner meanings and how it is to be adopted, all these things are discussed in this series. So, this is the 16th sloka. It says, Lagnameva Tanustanam द्वितीयं धनमुच्यते मुखस्थानं च तद्युक्तं स्थानं भोजन सत्यो. So this will first make the Padavibhaga and then get the meaning of it. Lagnam eva, that is only Janma Lagna. Tanusthanam, place of body or self or personality, that is only Lagna. When the type of body or personality is to be studied, only the ascendant is to be seen, not moon lagna or any other lagna earlier discussed. That is, Lagnadipati is also lagna, moon Rashadipati is also lagna, moon Rashadipati himself is a Karaka, moon also lagna. So all these things it should not be taken. Only when we are talking about body and body constitution, something connected with the personality, characters, all this thing has to be seen only from the lagna. So whether it is weak or whatever it is, that weak will indicate the weakness of the matters which you are seeing. But as far as the Tanusthana is concerned, the body is concerned, or the personality, the characters, all these things, or constitution, all these things has to be seen only from the lagna. This is the basic. So the idea of different lagnas, when you say moon, it is something not the body, but it is Sukshma Sharira, that is inside the body, something else totally different. That is also a body, but different body altogether. So Sthula, this Sthula Sharira, all the Sthula Sharira is to be seen from Lagna only. Right? Then you got Sukshma Sharira. So many things are there. All these things in the Sharira can be seen in a different method. That is, all the koshas, 5 koshas can be seen with a different lagnas. Right? That is also a point which we'll have to discuss later on. Panchakoshas. So similarly, but this Stulakaya, the Stulakaya comes with the characteristics, what is expressive outside, what is can be seen from the outside, what is he expresses as a personality, as a character, all this can be seen here. The mind is different. Character he expresses because we see a personality and that character also we see from that person. But his mind may be different, totally different. That is a different aspect. So this is where the classification has to be done. Then Dvitiyam, second place, that second house, Dhanamuchyate, it is money, not the wealth. Wealth is fourth house. It is money, earning money. Mukhasthanam, it is a face. Tadyuktasthanam, the said house, second house, is also Bhojana Satyayo. That is, it is also about the meals and the truth. Meal here is like a lunch or dinner and the quality of the meal, right? Not the food. Food is different again, right? Food, it is Karakatva will come there. Now, truth here is anything that is true or false, anything that true or false. Suppose you want to, some statement has come, something we have to study whether it is true or false, then also second house comes to picture. Then including speech, the walk, that is also to be studied from the second house. This is the shloka. Now what we do is, we will make each separate videos for each one of it. That is Lagnameva Stanusthanam, Dvitiyam Dhanamuchyate, Tadvikta Sthanam, Bhojana Satya. All these things we will see in different videos. But first, we are taking up Lagnam Eva Tanusthanam. This we will be discussing in this particular video. So we'll go to the next slide. However, please like, share, and subscribe for this channel. You'll be getting more information about the secrets of astrology, both Nadi and Parashara. Now, we are talking about Lagnameva Tanusthanam. Only Janma Lagna indicates the place that is the place of the body and self or personality. That is exactly what I told you. When the type of body or personality or character is to be seen, it is only ascendant has to be seen, not moon lagna or any other lagna as indicated in the earlier slokas. So those are all different purposes. So as I earlier explained. Okay. So now similarly, what happens is different guna and prakriti of a Rashi. Different gunas are different prakriti of a Rashi, gunas of a Rashi, the characteristics and the elemental effects of the Rashi, and the planets are used in matter depending upon its Karaka planet. So particular each bhava will have several Karakas, several matters in particular bhava. In Lagna itself, it is only Tanu, it is also longevity, it is also livelihood, right? It also talks about the merits. That's many things. So all these things in a one particular bhava, many things are to be seen. Therefore, when a bhava is afflicted, bhava analysis is the most intelligent part. You have to understand what planet is going to do what to a particular bhava. That is most important. That is a different subject altogether. But here, so each matter that is in particular bhava, many matters are there. Each bhava has to be dealt with the related planet for that particular matter and along with the house and and the influence of the other planet and the relationship it is establishing with the other planets and the houses. Here it is Tanubhava, and for this particular thing, Sun is a character and personality. Sun is the Karaka here. So we take only Karaka. Other matters of Lagna to be dealt accordingly. So that is a different question altogether. So now we take an example chart. This is a male chart where ascendant is Pisces, Lagna is Meena, right? And we are talking about the body or personality or character, all those things all put together one body. We are saying that we are analyzing it. Now let us see first Lagna. Lagna is Meena Lagna, Pisces Lagna. It's a watery sign. Has the aspect of exalted Mercury. Exalted Mercury. 1 second. I'll make a marker so that it will be easy to visualize. 1 second. Okay. See, now Mercury exalted and it is aspecting the Lagna. Mercury is Bhutatva and this is a sign also Bhutatva. Practicality of knowledge and physical society, and Mercury represents allergic reactions. So we have to take the constitution also into account. Therefore, what we are doing, we are trying to take the karakatwas of the planet and their indications of the tattvas and their prakriti, guna and prakriti. The physical, so anything physical in society, which is visibility, that is the most important, bhutatva, which is available. So all those things, that is aspecting Lagna, and moon, Jalatattva, emotional and Kapha Prakriti, that is also aspecting the Lagna. Both are having aspect of Jupiter, another Kapha Prakriti planet, and Akashatva. Akashatva is liberty. Akashatva means liberty. He is very free, freedom. Then moon being close to sun acts like Saturn, Vayutattva. Moon, that is this principle we have been continuously telling in many videos, that when the moon is closer to sun, he will act like different Depending upon the distance between the sun and the moon, degree wise, he will be acting like different planets. And now he is acting like a Saturn with Vata Prakriti. The moon originally is Kapha Prakriti and Jala Tattva, Kapha Prakriti, Jala Tattva, emotional and Kapha Tattva, and then Vata Prakriti. But because of Saturn acting like Saturn, Vata Prakriti, the native by Prarabdha, that is when we are analyzing a horoscope, the bhavas, the effect bhava analysis will indicate the Prarabdha, what is that he has brought forward to commence the life with this toward the practicality and his orientation prarabdha karma, his orientation is objectively towards practicality and subjectively emotions and liberty. So he is free, he doesn't want to listen to anybody, he is very free, and the emotions, he is emotionally carried away, and he is practical, more practical about, he will believe only what is seen, what is heard, only to that extent. Constitutionally he is subjected to Urjata, that is allergic conditions because of Mercury. Mercury here you see, because he acts like a cruel, because he is associated with the moon, who is cruel. Due to his association with the sun, due to his distance between the sun, moon is a cruel, so Mercury also became cruel. So he is, that is why when all cruel planets will support diseases, so allergic conditions. And then moon, kapha, phlegm, and vata, because Saturn himself is vata, therefore his constitution is prone to allergic conditions, kapha related and vata related problems. This is Meena Lagna. Now every person has got his uh, quota of free will where he can exercise his powers either to control or to destruct his own prarabdha karma. So Lagna Lord, Jupiter is Akash Tattva, Lagna Lord is Jupiter. Jupiter is liberty, Akash Tattva, liberty. Kapha Prakriti, Jupiter also Kapha Prakriti. In Bhutatva, but because he is retrograde by Vakra, ignores Bhutatva. That is exactly where they are sitting. The retrograde planet will deny that. It doesn't like it. Right? That's why. A free will for expansion, that is because of liberty. Aspect of Venus, that Lagna Lord is aspect of Venus. Jalatatva, of, again a Kapha Prakriti. From Vrishchika, another Jalatatva Rashi. Indicate will of native to acquire Jalatatva emotion, that he goes for emotions and he accumulate through most of the Jalatatva related and Prakriti, Kapha Prakriti related, he will try to accumulate those things. That is, he is also, the native also is yielding to Prarabdha karma and trying to increase all these matters. So that's why his constitution, he may be prone to anything related to kapha and vata and cold related, phlegm related, kapha related problems. Now, next is karaka. Lagna bhava is over, bhava lord is over, now karaka. Sun, his personality, is debilitated. So one is he is weak, right? That is rejects bhutatva because he is debilitated. Bhutatva. So what is to be accepted that he will not accept it. Weak personality and constitution and links with Mars, Agni Tattva, and Rahu, Vayu Tattva, with fiery and eccentric nature. These are due to bad deeds to community in the past deeds. See, the Karakas always, that is, it indicates. So because of the past deeds, he is accumulating. So his nature is little fiery, eccentric in nature, and constitution is weak. So he is prone to diseases. And sun is that we can easily say heart-related problems can also be there. And there, because when you saw medical astrology, a lot of things will involve here. Mars, blood pressure, Rahu is the uh, Rahu and Ketu in between. No, it is a compression and relaxation. Both will be there. That is flow of blood. different, that is instability in the blood flow. All these things can be told, many things can be told here. But anyway, based on this, what we have done is only in the shloka, we have done only one portion of it. Lagnam eva tanusthanam, that we have analyzed. So like that, other three things are there. We will analyze in the next video. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.